If you've been thinking about using N8N but want to cut your monthly costs, or maybe you just like having complete control over your automations, then self-hosting on a VPS is the way to go. And no, you don't need to be techie for this. The method I'm about to show you is beginner-proof. Just follow along and you'll have N8N running in minutes. Before we start, you'll see a link and a QR code on screen. Use either one when signing up, and you'll get an extra 10% discount. It's applied right at checkout, but only during sign-up. So if you're thinking about adding any extras, grab them up front to make sure you lock in the discount. Why bother with self-hosting? First, the savings. If you go with N8N's official cloud plan, the cheapest option is about $20 a month when billed yearly. Over 2 years, that's around $480. But if you self-host with Hostinger's KVM1 plan for that same 2-year period, it works out to just $107.78 total. That's a $372.22 saving, which is about $15 a month that stays in your pocket. Even if you add daily backups, you're still ahead by over $307. And here's the other big benefit. You own the server. You decide exactly how much CPU, memory, and storage you need, and you can scale up or down anytime you like. No artificial limits. No plan restrictions. Click the link or QR code. That'll take you to Hostinger's VPS options. You'll see plans labeled KVM1, KVM2, and so on. Here's the simple way to think about them. More CPU cores means you can run more workflows at the same time without delays. More RAM means better performance for bigger workflows, API calls, and AI nodes. And more storage means more space for your flows and Docker images. If you're starting small, KVM1 is more than enough. If you expect heavier use right away, Hostinger recommends KVM2. Either way, you can upgrade later. Next, choose your term length. 1 month is flexible, but it's more expensive after the intro period, and the 10% discount doesn't apply. 24 months locks in the best price, and that's how you get the $107 total from the example earlier. If you want daily backups, toggle them on now, so the discount applies. Then, choose your server location. If you're the main user, pick the one closest to you. If your audience is somewhere else, pick the location closest to them for faster performance. Finally, in the Select Operating System field, type N8N, click it, and confirm. That's the magic that makes this installation painless. No manual setup. Click Continue. Now, register your Hostinger account. You can create one with your email and password, or sign up with Google. Add your payment info, and you're in. Hostinger will walk you through a quick setup. You'll set a root password for your VPS. Keep this somewhere safe. This is different from your Hostinger login password. You'll also see an option to add an SSH key. That's mainly for advanced users, so you can skip it if you're not sure what it is. Check the final summary, hit Finish Setup, and let Hostinger prepare your server. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Once your server is ready, head back to the Hostinger dashboard, click on VPS, and select your new server. Click Manage, and you'll go to the VPS control panel. From here, click Manage App, and that'll open N8N in a new tab. When the page loads, you'll see the onboarding screen. Enter your name, email, and a new password. Then answer the quick questionnaire. Here's a nice bonus. N8N will offer you paid features for free in the Community Edition. Just enter your email and click Send me a free license key. Check your inbox, click the activation link, and your account is instantly upgraded. No extra charge. From here, you can either start from scratch or try their sample AI agent workflow to see something in action right away. And that's it. Your server is now completely your own. You can build any automation you like with no cloud plan restrictions holding you back. One of the biggest perks of self-hosting is that you control when you update. That means you get new features and security patches as soon as they're available. And updating is surprisingly easy. It's just 3 commands. In your Hostinger dashboard, go to VPS Overview and open the browser terminal. Then type these commands, one at a time, pressing Enter after each command. Docker Compose pull, Docker Compose down, Docker Compose up -D. Here's what they do. The first one, Docker Compose pull, downloads the latest version of N8N. The second, Docker Compose down, stops and removes the old version. And the third, Docker Compose up -D, restarts N8N with the new version running in the background. It's basically the self-hosted version of clicking Update. And there you go. In less than 5 minutes, you've set up N8N on your own VPS, unlocked extra features for free, and learned how to keep it up to date. Remember, the link and QR code on screen give you that extra 10% off when you sign up, and it works on add-ons too. So lock in your savings, set up your server, and enjoy the freedom of running N8N exactly how you want. Happy automating, and I'll see you in the next one.